Hello, this is Professor Andrews. I'm back with how to show you to make a friction apparatus for the friction experiment that we'll be doing in Physics 101 at Stark State. So first I want you to see that there's an equipment list. We have listed the mass set, but we actually want you to have some water bottles. I don't have enough, so I have some mayonnaise, some buttermilk, some iced tea, things that give me masses between 0.25 kilograms and about 2 kilograms. If you're like me, you like to write the number on the side so you don't forget it. That's a good idea as well. So now that we've assembled all our materials, let me stretch out and show you the other pieces of equipment. We have the string that came in your lab kit, and we have a ruler that came in your lab kit. And I have made the most naive, simple square knot with my string through one of the holes on the ruler, okay? You are going to use the tape, the double-sided tape. Here it is. It's red on one side, black on the other. Black side is already sticky. We are going to make a sled that pulls our bottles around. And so we want to essentially wrap the ruler in the mat in such a way that we can pull it out when we're done. So we're going to fold it over. We're going to tape it down with our tape, okay, so that we will have something that when we attach both strings to it, we can pull this little sled using a force meter, otherwise known as a spring scale, and that will give us how much newtons of force we are pulling the sled with. So let me go ahead and pause the video and I will get the tape put in. Before we go further, you need to make sure that your sled is aligned correctly. Notice that the ruler lines up with the bands on the sled. The side that is going to be in contact with the floor does not have a ribbed pattern. It has something much more akin to a crosshatch. Okay, so you want the crosshatch to be on the bottom. You want to set the ruler in. You want to flip him around and tape him down with the tape. Coming back, notice that that red side of the tape is a siliconized release liner. I have pulled it off, what left me with a very sticky side of the tape. And so I have made a little channel that my ruler fits in and that I can use to complete the sled. So we almost have the sled complete. So here we are again. We now have the apparatus complete. You will see that I have my little sled. Okay, I have the ruler attached with 2 square knots to the string, and I feed it into my 10 Newton spring, and I pull it ever so gently, and my can of tomato sauce rides along my desktop in a nice smooth manner, and I can read the, well, I can't read the slide, but I will go find someone who can read the slide while I pull it, but you can see where the marker is. That's how you build the apparatus.